back to another video. Today po, we're doing another science experiment na ang title po ay How to use electricity to produce magnet. Ang materials po natin ay large iron nail, electrical wire, mga paper clips po, 1.5 volts battery, electrical tape, at electrical wire po pala. So, ang step 1 po natin para gawin natin yung electromagnet ay make 15 turns of wire and wire around an iron nail. So, guys, mag-turn daw tayo po dito ng 15. 1, 2, 3. Cut lang natin to guys dahil labis po yung okay guys, so next po ay connect the ends of wire to the battery. So guys, nag-stick po yung mga paper clips. So guys, step 2 naman daw po natin ay connect the ends of wire to the battery. Third step po ay place the iron nail near the small pieces of paper clips. Observe what happens. So guys, tapos na po tayo dito sa activity. Next po naman natin ay sa questions. Number 1 po ay, what happened to the paper clips as you move the iron nail closer? So, anong nangyari po sa paper clips ay, inattract po yung iron nail habang nasa battery siya yung iron nail, inattract po yung paper clips at dumikit po doon sa ating iron nail. Number 2 po, why did it happen? Because the iron nail turned into a electromagnet. What do you think will increase the strength of your magnet? So, ang mag-i-increase po sa strength ng ating electromagnet ay yung number. So guys, number 3 po ay, what do you think will increase the strength of your electromagnet? So, ang mag-i-increase po ng strength ng ating electromagnet ay the number of coils and the number of batteries will increase the strength of our electromagnet. So guys, I will explain to you kung ano po ang ibig sabihin ng electromagnet. An electromagnet is like a real magnet that can attract materials made out of metal. An iron nail acts like a real magnet as long as electricity still flows through the coil of wire. So guys, yun po ang ibig sabihin ng electromagnet. I hope you guys